Hi, my name is Matt Irvin with RestoreMasters. As you can see here behind me, we are on site today at a National Industrial Warehouse Center. Now, what has occurred here at this business? Late last night, an electrical fire started here in the office. It's burnt the building, this section of the building, mostly to the ground. Now, during a building fire in your business or anywhere, you need a contractor who can respond immediately to start taking care of things that need to be taken care of. So we got on site this morning. The fire department was still here, so we weren't able to actually enter or secure the perimeter at that point in time. But the fire department has just given us the clearance to get started here. So we had our perimeter fence already installed within an hour of them leaving. And this is just a safety fence to keep any pedestrians or any workers or anyone from entering into the fire section here so that no one gets hurt or no one is injured. Because you can enter into a fire zone, you never know what's going to happen. Part of the building can still collapse, and a lot of different things can happen that you don't want to happen. The first thing we've done is we have our structural engineer coming. He is on the way to determine if that south wall that you see there behind me is still structurally safe. If it is structurally safe, then what we're going to do is close in that end of the building, and then we're going to start the water mitigation on this side. If that end of the building is not safe, we're going to install and build a temporary wall there, close it in, get a stamp of approval, and then we're going to start on the water mitigation section of this side of the building. We're going to suck all the water out. We're going to get all the contents out of the building. Now the first thing we do before the contents are removed is we have a 3D imaging software. It's called Matterport 3D imaging. So we're going to go inside, we're going to scan the entire area of the perimeter inside the building there, and it's going to capture all the contents inside. That way later on during this claim we can actually do a walkthrough on our computer systems of all the rooms. It'll be just like a virtual remodel headset. We can kind of just walk through and check out everything in the building to determine, well, the adjusters can determine coverage on the contents and everything inside the buildings. So we'll begin as soon as we get clearance, tearing everything out, removing the contents. As soon as that's done, we'll have mobile office command centers set up here on site so that the business can put their employees inside and they can continue running their business. So this is, like I said, an industrial warehouse center. There's a lot of trucks in and out of here, but they need their dispatching center. So we're going to set that up for them. As soon as that's done, we're going to have our bulldozers and everything come behind me here. We're going to tear down this wall. We're going to start removing all the debris here on site. We're going to have our architect and engineers come in. We're going to design some building plans to start rebuilding this building and putting it back to pre-storm conditions. Now, during a situation like this, you may have no idea what to do or who to call. So you want to call someone you can trust, someone who has dealt with situations like this before. Now, we've dealt with everything from hurricanes, completely demolishing buildings, fires like you see here behind me. You name it, we've done it, we've seen it, and we've rebuilt it. So if you're having an issue, you don't know what to do, give us a call. We'll help walk you through this time of need. Check us out on the website, www.restoremastersllc.com. Phone number 800-277-6815. Thank you.